In the heart of the Middle East, two nations stand face to face. One is ancient and vast, the other small but sharp. Iran and Israel, rivals shaped by history, faith, and fear. Iran builds its power through numbers. Tanks roll across the desert in long lines. Missiles lie hidden beneath mountains waiting. Drones fill the skies like silent watchers, old machines reborn by local hands. Israel moves differently, fewer tanks but smarter. Jets rise with stealth and speed. Iron Dome lights up the sky, intercepting fire before it falls. Every system connects to another, every move is precise. Iran relies on reach and shock. Israel relies on speed and control. One strikes in waves, the other with pinpoint precision. Both are ready, both are watching, but in war it's not just the weapon, it's the will, the timing, and the mind behind the trigger. Two forces, one region, a fragile balance that could break in a single moment.